Hi, I'm Matthew Buzzy from PC Mag. Gaming laptops come in all shapes and sizes these days, and I'm here with the Omen Transcend 14, which HP says is the lightest 14-inch gaming laptop out there right now. Now, obviously, to go for a laptop at this size and thinness, you're gonna want portability, right? That has to be important to you. It's a priority. There are bigger, more powerful gaming laptops if that's of interest to you. But that doesn't mean this isn't a capable laptop. Despite its thin frame, and the laptop does start a little more modestly at an RTX 4050 and Intel Core Ultra 7, you can scale this up to a 4070 and Ultra 9. If you need something more powerful, there's a lot of other options out there from other manufacturers, as well as HP. We reviewed the 16-inch version of this last year, so there's options for those gamers who want a bigger screen and more power, but this is using the latest Meteor Lake processors, as well as the super portable form factor. Now, if you want to be seen while you're out with this laptop, the white color really does stand out. It comes in a darker color as well. And this keyboard's an interesting design too. It's sort of flush edge to edge, but the edges of the keys are transparent, which lets the RGB lighting come through. It's kind of a fun addition, looks a little different. That's in conjunction with HyperX. Last but not least, this display is as nice as this nice white color and RGB lighting. It's an OLED panel, 1440p, 120 Hertz. Should be a good fit for gaming. Looks great and colorful in person. So this laptop really supporting the idea of this person who takes their games on the go, gets work done when they're not gaming, whether at home or at the office or in a cafe, whatever it is. Stay tuned for a full review of this next year when it arrives, and check back PCMag.com for all of the CES 2024 news.